Good morning, Dave.
Morning.
Are we ready for another video?
Yes.
Do you want to know what you're going to be doing today?
I know what we're doing this morning.
What are we doing this morning?
Rainbow lights.
We are. This is a continuation from these single rainbow lights that we did earlier. And today we're going to actually make a string of them. So I'm just going to have a quick whiz round and show you what you need. Materials, I've just been corrected. So first thing you need are some plastic cups. So if you've got a stack of these from a party or a barbecue, these are what you need. You can use paper ones as well, but these are plastic. You also need some colouring pens. Now we're using permanent ones, but any kind of colouring pen is fine. A set of LED battery string lights. They have to be LED, obviously with paper and plastic. A thick needle, which I've left threaded so I don't lose it, or a nail or something like that. A skewer, a bamboo skewer, and a chopstick, and that's just to help you make the hole bigger. So that is what you're going to need. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so first thing to do is if you take a few of the cups and just stand them up like that. Okay, take the needle and we're going to make the holes. Now the easiest way to do this, especially with the plastic ones, is to actually have a stack of them and make the hole. And I aimed for that little triangle bit. If you go in the middle of the triangle and just push it through. That's it, and you can pull it out. That's it, and you need to make the hole a bit bigger. So if you take the skewer and push the pointy end through. That's it. Oh, Dave! Right, okay. And then, just to finally make it, just push the chopstick. Don't push it right the way through, but just to... That's it.
About there.
About there. And that's made your hole. Okay. So, we've had 4 there. Now, our string of lights is 20, so that's another 16 to go. But don't worry, we won't be filming all of those. So, the next thing is take one of the mark cups and you start to colour. Now, how I've done it, you don't have to do it this way, is because you see all the lines on the cup, so I've just used the lines on the cup to make the rainbow. You see what I mean?
Okay.
So just take your colouring pens and start doing your rainbow. And we all know the colours by now, don't we, Dave?
Red and
Yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Now, using the permanent markers, they dry quite quickly and they don't rub off, so you can just do it straight on. And as the weather's getting better, you will have some rainbow string lights to hang outside. That's it. David's revealing his artistic side doing these, aren't you?
Yeah.
And now the weather's getting better, we can start working on outside things that we will be doing later on. See, Dave's in the zone. So yeah, you just keep going round. Now these cups are quite small, so you can probably go for 1 cup for each light. But if you've got slightly bigger cups, like the ones we use for the rainbow lights, which are these ones, which are a bit bigger, you'd probably want to miss a light out. So do judge it on the size of your cups. We will be heading outside. Now the weather's improving, won't we, for our videos, Dave?
We will, yeah. The weather's here.
Yeah. How you going, love?
Right. You do all this cup?
Yeah, if you do all the cup, so I'm videoing Dave doing this, and when he's finished 1 cycle of rainbow, and then we will come back. Yeah, you're getting there, aren't you?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Is that a pink?
Yeah.
It's quite a pale pink,
Yeah,
that one. You just like making the noises, don't you?
Yeah. That one's not so bold, is it?
No, but that's okay. So you can see Dave is building his rainbow. So we will come back a little bit later and we will show you how he's got on. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
So we've done all our colouring in, as you can see here, and I've laid them out in 4 rows of 5 because we've got 20 lights and 5 fours are 20, so that's what I've done. So now we're going to thread the lights onto the cups, and it's really quite easy. You can see I started one off just to make it easier. So all you do is you take your light and you push it through the hole like so. Can you see that, Dave? Did you? So I'll carry on going. We had quite a nice relaxing time doing the colouring, didn't we?
We did.
It took us about an hour to do all the cups, and we made a nice cup of coffee.
Do you want to pick one up? just to show
Yeah.
where the light goes.
So there's the hole there, and you basically, can you see? Yeah. You're better off doing it on a firmer surface actually, and then just you push the light through like that. So you sort of do this one and just push it through. But it is easier to do it on a hard surface because then you're getting a bit of something to push against sort of thing. So yeah. That's it. So we
Not many more now, have you?
No, not many more now. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then I've missed one. There you go. So I take these, and there you go.
Yeah. Will they all light up?
Now I will test them, but you won't be able to see the effect because it is too light. But what we'll do, like we did with the rainbow lights, is when it's dark we shall light them up.
Yeah. 8 o'clock tonight?
About 8 o'clock tonight,
It
yes.
gets a bit dark.
So if you can see, if I switch it, and you can tell me whether it works, Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
And you can see a little bit that they're starting. The effect
another
that
one
you're
there.
going to go, and they are quite transparent, these. So yeah, they're all working.
Yeah.
So
Oh, you just turned it off?
I've just turned
right.
it off.
Right.
So there you go. That's our string of rainbow lights, and we'll be back in a little when it's dark.
Later on today.
With them all hung up and switched on. So we shall see you then. Bye.
Bye. Hey.